We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about Colzer Professional Countertop Blender with 2200 watt base. Black Friday 2020 is celebrated on November 27th. On the day of the event, you will find products from all outstanding categories, and now Amazon Black Friday are started. Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well-known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Colzer Professional Countertop Blender, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Introduce overview, summary or highlight features. Upgrade high performance kitchen blender. The 2200 watt motor has the power to crush through whole fruits, vegetables, and ice in seconds. Powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction provides great tasting, nutritious beverages. The blending jar with BPA-free is built to last, an easy-to-hold handle, and BPA-free lid. The blender base is equipped with anti-slip suction feet, so you can blend safely on your kitchen countertop. Our stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. All materials of this smoothie maker are BPA-free. The sturdy, non-slip large handle prevents your hand from slipping out of the handle while pouring the milkshake. Guards every food creator. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your professional blender, high-power blender, high-speed blender can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.